Namaskaram, my divine family, and welcome to Panchapot, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Mokshpat trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the reading for the week of 26th May to 1st June 2025 in relation to health. The reading comes on a positive box which represents the solar plexus chakra, which is central to personal power, freedom of choice, and decision making. If this chakra is in imbalance, we might experience physical symptoms like arthritis. There can also be mental health challenges like aggression and anger, or even a feeling of helplessness, or even being too judgmental. The guidance from the board is to practice mindfulness and stress reduction. Engage in regular physical activities like going for long walks or joining a gym. To keep your mind stress-free, there will be a need to cultivate self-compassion and acceptance. If you persist in rigid thoughts and behavior, the result will be arthritis. Flow with life and reduce the urge to control everything, be it people or circumstances. The diseases that can crop up are pancreatic issues, digestive system disorder, high BP, or even gallbladder issues. To sum it up, recognize the importance of self-care and self-fulfillment. We can add more of yellow color and add foods like rice, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, turmeric, cumin, fennel, and peppermint in our diet. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste. Hello beautiful souls. Welcome to our Punch Portal series for the month of May for this year. My name is Karishma and I'm going to talk about relationship for week 4, which is from May 26th to June 1st. The guidance from our Mokshapata board tells us that relationships are maintained through our hearts. Our heart is the center point of love, emotions, and our existence. So this week, take care of your heart, balance the emotions, and create peace in your inner and outer world. Relationships get stronger when both the people are willing to understand theirs and other person's mistakes and are ready to forgive each other. You need to maintain healthy boundaries around you. Whenever there is an imbalance in your relationship, try to gain clarity on the issue. Assess your fears. Get to the root cause. Do not be defensive or non-receptive. We all make mistakes, and at times we need to reflect on ourselves and our behaviors. Do not be harsh on yourself or others, as this will only shut you down. Rather, communicate openly in your relationships. This will build compassionate relationships. Don't let mistakes ruin you or your relationship. Put them behind you by forgiving and letting go. Seek advice, therapy, or counseling if needed. When we hold grudges, it just burdens you and it makes it difficult to express freely and thus attracts toxic relationships. Great relationships are not great because they have no problems. They are great because people care enough about the other person and find a way to make it work. So, take care.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Mokshapat. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality, and growth, then Mokshpat will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaskar. My name is Nupur and I bring to you this week's Mokshpat reading for your spiritual growth. Mokshpat board advises you to go into a self-reflection mode. Look at your feelings, look at your actions, look at your words, look at your thoughts. Because these thoughts lead to words, lead to actions. So सबसे nip them in the bud. And अगर आप अपनी फीलिंग में जब जा रहे हो, when you're introspecting, तो आपको ऐसा कुछ लगे which you don't like, तो उसको तुरंत में नकारना नहीं. In fact, address it. The first step to bring about a change is to understand and accept that there is a problem. Once you accept it, then only you will be able to, or you will want to even change. So it is important to accept that feeling and then think about it. One of the ways which is very very beautiful, जिससे आपको guidance जरूर के जरूर मिलेगा, that is through prayers. Prayers are very powerful. प्रार्थना, आप just आंख बंद करके 1 सेकंड के लिए बैठो और फिर प्रार्थना करो. You will receive guidance. And that guidance can come in the form of your guru saying something. If you don't have a guru, it could be a friend, it could be a mentor, anyone. And once you are guided to do something, then you follow it. Mokshpat board says कि सिर्फ आपको जो मिला वो अपने तक मत रखो. आपने जब इतना मेहनत किया that you have achieved, you have understood where the problem is, you're working towards it, you're growing, and share that diamond, that small, एक छोटी सी मोती भी मिले ना कहीं से, तो दूसरों के साथ जरूर शेयर करना. It will empower you. It will strengthen that thought in you. So, for your spiritual growth, the Mokshpat reading is about self-introspection, finding the right person who will give you the right teaching and following it. And once you follow, you get the results, then do share with everyone. Namah Shivaya.
Namaste Divine Soul, I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata reader and guide for the Punch Portal program for the week of 26th May to 1st June 2025, focusing on business and profession. Let us receive the divine guidance from the Mokshpata board for this important week. The board reveals that this is a golden opportunity to focus on growth in your business and professional life. It is a good time to set aside a small amount for charity or donation. This act of giving opens doors to expansion and abundance. Be generous with your team. Consider offering them incentive or bonuses. These simple gestures will boost their motivation and bring fresh energy to their work. Extend discounts or offers to your vendors or clients. These small steps will strengthen your bonds and create more opportunities for growth. By practicing generosity, fairness, and wise strategy, you will naturally expand your business relationships and professional success. Take these steps with faith and clarity and let abundance flow into your journey. With blessings and light, have a prosperous week ahead. Thank you.
तो आइए जानते हैं कि ये हफ्ता आपके फाइनेंसेस के लिए कैसा रहेगा. 26 मई से 1 जून का टाइम फाइनेंस के लिए बैलेंस बनाने का है. इस वीक का मैसेज ये है कि अपने पैसों से रिलेटेड डिसीजन सिर्फ दिमाग से नहीं, थोड़ा दिल से भी लें. थोड़ा पेशेंस और अंडरस्टैंडिंग जरूरी है. जो डिसीजंस आप कामली और क्लियरली लेंगे वो आपको फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ में हेल्प करेंगे. इस वीक हरा रंग आपकी लाइफ में इंक्लूड करें. कपड़ों में, प्लांट्स या अपनी स्पेस में. ग्रीन कलर ग्रोथ, पीस और अबंडेंस का सिंबल है. बस एक बात का ध्यान रखें, जेलसी, फियर या दूसरों से अप्रूवल चाहना आपकी एनर्जी को डिस्टर्ब कर सकता है. ये टाइम है अपने अंदर झांकने का, अपने ओन मनी ब्लॉक्स को पहचानने का और उन्हें रिलीज करने का. अपनी एनर्जी को राइट डायरेक्शन में लगाएं और पैसों से एक हेल्दी रिलेशनशिप बनाएं. राइट माइंडसेट से आप डेफिनेटली फाइनेंशियल हार्मनी अचीव करेंगे. थैंक यू सो मच.
That is all for this week, and I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.